This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Spotify and confirming the app is updated. This guarantees the equalizer will appear. Once in the app, plug in headphones or set your speakers so you can hear changes immediately. Now tap your profile, open settings, and scroll to playback. Make sure the equalizer toggle is visible. On some platforms it appears under Advanced or Audio Quality. If you don't see it, close and reopen the app or sign out and back in to refresh available features. Once you access the equalizer, pick a preset that matches the music. Bass boost for heavy low end, acoustic for clarity, vocal for podcasts. Then switch to manual mode to fine-tune by dragging the sliders for lows, mids, and highs. Think in small steps so you hear the impact. Make adjustments around 2 to 4 dB rather than extreme jumps because big boosts cause clipping and unnatural sound. As you tweak, play a familiar track and compare before and after to lock. You finish by saving any custom preset so you can recall it quickly for different listening scenarios. Then test across several tracks and volume levels to ensure consistency and to catch any distortion at high volumes. Adjust down if necessary. If you encounter problems like audio dropouts or no equalizer, disable the equalizer, close Spotify fully, and restart the app. This often resets audio routing. If that fails, reboot your device and check for app updates or OS audio permissions to resolve persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.